So guys, this is surgery on the Rig Expert AA1500 zoom. We are trying to change faulty connector which has been duly destroyed by me, and Guru and Sham are trying to help me replace this. Rig Expert guys told me it is a simple 4-screw removal job, but it looks a lot more complicated than that. So we've got the whole housing out. The whole housing and board is out, and we have to desolder the connector from inside, pull it out, and replace it with a new connector to start with. So this is the body that's out, the board and display, and the PCB. Desoldering going on. The connector.
Excellent.
Out. Unbelievable. Now, Victor Uniform 3 Golf Whiskey November at work, doing surgery on the Rig Expert.
VU3UZD.
And VU3UZD said if there is no threat to life, go ahead and remove the
Especially
PCB board.
it's not my equipment.
But I hope this works, yeah. So we're putting the new connector back in.
Taking the old connector out. Yeah, it will work.
This is the old connector being replaced.
The box.
And the soldering station. Okay. This is removing the old damaged connector, which is mounted on a bracket inside.
So Sham, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
These boys
we don't have to
VU3 Golf Whiskey November and VU3
UZD.
Uniform Zulu Delta at work, doing surgery on the AA1500 zoom Rig Expert to replace the connector which was damaged by VU3UCR. Since there is no user manual or video as claimed by even Rig Expert service team, we thought we would just try and record what we can to new one going in there. Just show me the connector end. Yes, this is the new one in, new piece in. Thank you, brother.
ಇದು ಇನ್ನೆರಡು ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗಲೇ.
The assembly is going on.
Because we don't have to worry about replacing the screws. It's just nuts holding it.
The assembly.
Yeah, just before we solder, we'll put the connector board back onto the PCB.
So you want to solder after fastening the board?
Yes.
And connector on?
Yes.
Okay. I'll show you the clip once it's done.
So we have added the flux for that connector.
Yeah. This is the new connector.
So all the nuts have been tightened.
See,
So the board is back.
Yeah, there's the connector is back, base plate, inner plate, and now the soldering is pending.
Solder. And now the solder master. Let ಕೊಡಿ. ನನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳ ಇದು ಸಾಕ.
Just make it double. Stands like that.
So guys, this doesn't look as easy as I was told by rig expert guys on email that remove these 4 bolts and the connector comes out. It's not so. As you can see, the mounting inside, and you got to take the whole plate apart to access this board, and then loosen these 4 nuts you see, pull the connect, desolder this point here, desolder the connector here, pull it out, put a new one in, put these bolts back, fasten it back onto the PCB, and then solder it.
Heat in the center and touch in the side.
Sakala. Third.
Okay, a little bit more soldering left.
Enough.
And it's
Fantastic.
done. And it's done. VU3UZD, VU3 Golf Whiskey November, guys. Give me a thumbs up and a smile, please, for the job.
Now
Very
let's
well
put this
done.
back.
How to assemble the board back. So those are the supports,
You
angle
have to
supports.
adjust the angle of it.
This is to adjust the angle inside.
This angle we just.
Either that will get adjusted now. Okay.
And the final assembly happening now. That's one plate in. The second plate in for the angle.
This for the support of the connector.
For the board and connector. So there's no loading. Board is back into the shell. Final assembly. Okay. Now we have to see if we are left with some screws, which we have forgotten to put back in.
We'll take a census after closing ceremony.
Yes.
This is the main board.
This is the main board in the display.
Okay. This connector has to go back. Double-sided tape ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹಾಕಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು.
ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೀಟೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಶ್ಯಾಮ್ ಡಬಲ್-ಸೈಡೆಡ್ ಟೇಪ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಾಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರಲಿ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಟೈಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
So I'll just take a shot of that foam piece. Okay. And I'll just place it on it.
Yes. Okay.
Connector.
Okay.
Yeah. Serial number of the equipment for which we changed the connector.
There should be two more.
Yeah, Ooh.
I think these are the backside ones.
Yeah, we need to put
Oh no, no, no. These ones. These
Yeah.
two. Yeah.
Hand tight circle. Is hand tight enough for it? Or a slight tightening on it? Just hand tighten. Yeah.
Yeah, I think
Sealing. Yeah.
okay. Working.
Seems to be working. Yeah. So final assembly, final sealing of the case. And it's done. Well done, boys. Fantastic job.
Under check SWR of
Yes.